In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add connector lines in Figma design files. We'll start from a blank workspace and end with a clean connected diagram that's easy to read and simple to maintain. First, open Figma. On your Figma dashboard, click the FigJam option at the top to spin up a fresh, clean canvas. FigJam is perfect for brainstorming, flows, and quick mapping, and it gives us the connector behavior we want without any setup. On the left toolbar, choose the Shape tool, the square or rectangle icon. Click and drag on the canvas to add 3 squares. These can represent steps in a process, ideas in a sequence, or stages in a user journey. Don't worry about perfect spacing right now. It's faster to get your ideas down first, then refine the layout after everything is on the page. Add personality and clarity before connecting them. Change colors to make each square stand out and add short, descriptive text inside each shape. Keep labels concise so the diagram stays legible at a glance. Color can communicate grouping or status, while text provides the meaning behind each step. Next, switch to the connector tool, which looks like a line with a small circle or a branching arrow in the same toolbar. This tool creates smart lines that stick to shapes, so your diagram stays intact even when you rearrange things later. Hover near the edge of a square and watch for the small purple dots to appear. Those are connection handles. Click and drag from the edge of your first square to the edge of the second. You'll feel the connector snap into place, so you know it's attached. Repeat the same motion to connect the second square to the third, or even to a fourth shape if your flow continues. The snapping is what makes these diagrams resilient when you move a shape. The connector follows and updates automatically. If a line overlaps a shape or looks messy, click the connector itself to reveal its handles. Drag these handles to adjust curves or add gentle bends so the line routes neatly around your content. Clean routing improves readability, especially when you present or share with teammates. Keep lines from crossing whenever possible and aim for consistent spacing between shapes to reduce visual noise. The beauty of these connectors is their flexibility. They turn basic shapes into dynamic diagrams that grow with your ideas. Move a square, update a label, or recolor a step, and the structure remains clear and connected. That's it. Thanks for watching.